Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you chicken wonton baskets. It's a very simple recipe, so let's get started.
Use of oil is as per your choice. Adding fresh garlic and ginger instantly upgrades any dish. Saute for a few seconds. I use boneless chicken cut up in tiny pieces. Chicken tends to leave water while cooking. Saute until the water evaporates and the chicken is cooked completely. Spice the dish up with some schezwan sauce. You can add more or less as you like. The other sauces enhance the flavor of the dish. Mix these and we're ready to add the next ingredients. Onions and peppers don't have to be cooked. Just mix them well with the chicken. Add salt if needed. At this point, you can check and adjust the seasonings. Garnishing gives an added flavor. Mix it up and keep it aside. You can even use small containers instead of a muffin tray. Grease them well. I used wonton wrappers. You can also use spring roll wrappers or samosa wrappers. Shape them like baskets into the tray. Grease the top portion also. This will make the baskets crispy while baking. Once all the baskets are filled, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 12 to 15 minutes. Oven temperatures may vary. Garnish and these babies are ready to be served. Look at how easily they come out and how wonderful they look. Wow!
If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.